Example 1. Determine the equation of the tangent that touches the circle defined by x squared plus y squared minus 100 equals 0 at the point 4, 6. Solution. From the given equation, we can see that the center of the circle lies at the origin. Therefore, r equals 10 units. Recall that the radius and the tangent are perpendicular to each other at the point of contact. We can determine the gradient of the tangent if we know the gradient of the radius. Gradient of the radius at the point of the contact will be, substituting the coordinates of point of contact and the center of the circle, we get mr equals 6 minus 0 over 4 minus 0 equals 3 over 2. Recall that the product of the gradients of the two perpendicular lines is -1. Therefore, the gradient of the tangent will be mr times mt equals -1. Substituting the value of mr, we get mt equals -2 over 3. Using the gradient of the tangent and the point of contact, we can determine the equation of the tangent. Substituting the values, we get y minus 6 equals -2 over 3 times x minus 4. Therefore, the equation of the tangent is y equals -2 over 3x plus 26 over 3.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.